The next application is a navigation app, Osmand Plus, OSMAND. And there's several reasons why I like this better than Google Maps. One, it's you just download the maps that you need one time, and then you're good to go. You don't, like with Google Maps, every time that you drive somewhere, you're always down using your data over 3G. So with this, there's several things in here that I want to show. I actually did another video on this, and it's going to be a lot more in-depth, so you may want to check that out if this interests you. You can define the views, and you can add a hill shade layer, and also contour lines. Okay. And there's the contour lines. And another thing I like about this is you can use custom voices or TomTom voices to guide you along your way. Just go into plugins and advanced settings, check off accessibility, contour lines, that's another application plugin, and Osmand development. And for the unit of measure, I like to use yards, unit of measure, miles and yards, just because it's easier for me to judge going 4 football fields down the road instead of 1,200 feet, you know what I mean? And you can, with the custom voices, voice guidance, with the text-to-speech, that will, it'll name off street names, and but with the custom voices like Yoda, they won't say everything. They won't announce the street names that you're coming up on. And if you go in Osmand Develop, you can test the voice, like
make a U-turn. GPS signal lost. You have reached your destination.
Okay, and go ahead and change the voice to, we'll do Ozzy. And Ozzy cusses a little bit.
Turn left.
And like I said, they won't make all the announcements like that.
You have reached your fucking destination.
Okay, I guess I'll show one more.
At your destination, you have arrived. Left, you must turn.
Alright, let me think if I can think of anything else. I guess that's it, because if you're interested, go ahead and watch the in-depth detail. And with the custom voices, you actually have to import them, and there's another app for that called Voice Import. So check it out. This next application is called FB Reader, and I like it better than Google Books. First, because of the UI, or the user interface. It's got the black on white. It's just easier on the eyes. And you're going to want to make a file or a folder in storage, and I just call it books. That's where I keep them. And it's still initializing. Okay. and you gotta set the place where you got your books at under directories. And just to show you, now it handles a lot of formats, but the only one that I mess with is EPUB. And Google's prices on the ebooks are outrageous, so I don't mess with Google Books. But go back in here, and there's another feature I like. It will actually read it to you. There's a plugin you can get. I believe it's called FB Reader Plugin TTS, or TTS Plugin, something like that. And once you got that installed, it'll have that speak at the bottom. And it's kind of annoying, but I guess it's useful. I mean, when you're driving, you can have it read to you.
14. I myself feel confident about you, my brothers and sisters, opening square bracket 84 closing square bracket.
And it announces the brackets, which is annoying. But
14. I myself feel confident about you, my brothers and sisters, opening square. 14. I myself feel confident about you, my brothers and sisters, opening square bracket 84.
I've had it crash on me before when I made it read too fast. But yeah, I hope you like that one. The last application in this list is called MX Player, and you quite possibly already have this on your phone. It's probably the best video player. You can also stream with it. But what I'm wanting to show you is sometimes in order to get it to work on your device, you have to have a custom codec, and you can sometimes get it from the Play Store, but it depends on your device. Like with mine, I can get the ARM7 codec, settings, decoder, and at the bottom it'll say download custom codec, please download ARM's version 7. And the advantage to getting it from this website, I'm going back into Tapatalk and just search for MX Player custom codec, and I've already subscribed to it. Oops, that's not it. Pretty sure I subscribed to it. There it is. MX Player custom codec with DTS support, and it'll tell you in this thread what it's for. But see, there's all the versions depending on what kind of phone you got. And so go ahead and download the one that's for your phone. And I just put mine in a folder called Custom Codec. There it is right there. And in MX Player, oh, I just want to say the advantage of that is it saves room or memory on your data partition, and then go into custom codec and put the just find it, which folder you put it in, and click on it. Where you at? And that's ready to go, and I'll show you one thing of what that does. Like it said in that thread, that it enables the DTS support. And also, I'll go into a video here. And you'll notice that when I go to turn up the volume, it goes up to 15.
Gunter, do you smell that? Gunter, stop playing the keyboard! Smells like it's coming from... Gunter, are you blowing it up?
Okay, so I'm cutting in here because when I reviewed the video, I forgot to mention that when I'm using this screencast to record the video, it won't let me, the video won't show up. So I'm going to go back in here and finish what I was doing. And in order to get the better audio, click on the software audio, and it should be able to go up to 30 now.
Stinky, come with Daddy and I'll make it all better.
Like
Goodbye,
right there.
Gunter.
And
Sorry, sweetie,
it's
but I'm never gonna get any friends.
it's going to be more noticeable in headphones. This speaker on this phone's a piece of crap. So I hope you enjoyed the video.